What I have in front of me is the WooBamboo toothbrush. Okay, so let me just say I had to wait a couple of months to get this toothbrush. Not from the company, from like actual stores. There was only one toothbrush left, but I told my mom that I was going to get her another one, so I had to wait like a couple of, it felt like a couple of months. But I finally was able to get it, and I absolutely love and adore this toothbrush. The people that make this toothbrush and who started this company, oh my goodness, y'all know what y'all are doing. Speaking of that, this is like this is the second one I had. So, what is it? Well, it's a bamboo handled toothbrush for one, and it's let me get it out now. It's biodegradable, meaning so like it doesn't have like, you know, all that stuff that's not good for you in this toothbrush. Another thing is that you can recycle. So if you're a recycle person, you can recycle these toothbrushes. That's a win-win. But one of the things that caught my attention is that like it's a natural toothbrush. So, you know, you can tell like they take their time and they put their love into what they did with this toothbrush. It's very small, like in my opinion, but it does an amazing job. Like the handle, you can handle it very well. I love that. The bristles on it. Let me talk about those bristles. So sometimes like when you're brushing too hard, you know, sometimes you may accidentally hurt yourself, even if you got healthy teeth. Because I know, like, no, you got that, what's it called, this toothbrush does not do that at all. My teeth, tongue, everything, it feels completely fresh using it. It's not too big where you can't like reach the back of it. Like it works with all angles, you know, the back, the tongue, the front, the everything, you know. And since it's like a small like toothbrush, like where the handle is, like when it comes to the bristles and stuff like that, you don't have to put so much toothpaste on it. I don't know. To me, I feel like when you have a bigger toothbrush, you put more toothpaste on it. I'm trying to use all of the bristles, not some, all of the bristles. But you don't have to use a lot of product, you know, on it. This toothbrush is eco-friendliness, you know. So, and I love that it's so stylish and so cool. Another thing is that they actually have other products. So this is an adult size, but they have kid toothbrushes, they have pet toothbrushes. Yeah, I said that. Pet toothbrushes. Floss. I just want to just like throw it out there and like not thinking like they only just have like adult toothbrushes. No, they got it going on. They got some things. I love the fact that what they are not trying, because they already accomplished it, or what they are doing as far as they are, you know, looking at the bigger picture, if that makes sense. Like they're doing something to create like a positive change when it comes to the environment within the world. And I was reading was that was like it's over 7 billion in the world, you know, and majority of people, they brush their teeth with a basic toothbrush, okay? And you know, people go through all those toothbrushes, you know, a lot of them in the air, and whether you know it, a lot of that waste is like being in the oceans and landfills, which is like crazy. So some things about this is that the bamboo is moso, if I'm pronouncing it right, bamboo, which is grown naturally. And this toothbrush, like I said, is natural, so it doesn't have any like added chemicals or pesticides in it. And it's coated in completely natural wax to keep it silky and dry. And like I was saying before, if you know a recycle person, you know, which I feel like it's for a good cause to recycle, then you definitely purchase it. So I figured out what I know what I was getting ready to say, but I forgot. Now, stores, yeah, I mean, like I said before, this toothbrush was buying up quick. I had to hurry up when I saw that the refill. I hurried up and grabbed it. But I love this toothbrush because overall, it just gives you kind of like that. I wouldn't say luxury feel, but you just feel better because of what you know you're putting in your mouth. I mean, just break that to you. So you got a good toothpaste, and then you got a good toothbrush. Oh, baby, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So again, this is called. Let me put it around here. Okay, there. Again, this is called the WooBamboo toothbrush. You can go online and definitely see the other products that they have. But I just wanted to hurry up and try this toothbrush. I'm sorry, so I could see what it feels like, and I absolutely love it. Second one, gonna buy them all the time. Yes, indeed.